Hi, today we're going to be learning how to post a homework assignment on Edline. The first thing I need you to do, I need you to hover over my Edline, and I need you to go to the class that you're going to choose. If I'm going to U.S. History, I'm going to click on that, and then I will scroll down until we see a section that says News. The News section is in the mid part of the screen. You are going to hover your mouse right over the news section, and you'll notice that what appears is something on the right hand side of that box. It's like an invisible box. We are going to hit the plus sign. The plus sign will then bring up the news item title. You're going to title it based on the subject. For example, if I wanted the kids to have homework from social studies, I'm going to abbreviate by doing SS : So go ahead and put whatever top subject you have for that class, so that when they have a combined view, calendar view, they know which assignments belong to what subjects. This is very helpful for the student and the parent when they look at all their items combined. So I could say read your textbook and answer review questions on page 65. If I hit create now, and then it's going to take me to this screen. The next section that you have to look at are the ones on top. There are really two things that you should consider. One, the date, and then next, the multi-post. Let's go ahead and take a look at the date first bit, because that's the most important aspect for the combined calendar. If we click on the dates, it will take us to this section right here. You're going to look at the first box, and you'll notice that the calendar day is located right there. I would like you to pick the date that it was assigned. So for example, if it was assigned today, it would be September 3rd. September 3rd would be picked, and simply hitting save and return on the top will mean that it would be saved for that particular date. Say, for example, this assignment is due for the next 3 days. I can click on the event reoccurrence, which is located right below as it's highlighted in red. Click on it once, and I can tell it to repeat itself however many days until it ends. So I would pick, if it's 3 days, 1, 2, 3. So that means it would be due on Monday from there. And therefore, the events this homework assignment would appear for these within that date range. Be sure to uncheck Sunday and Saturday if you would like to not have it overlay, but it doesn't hurt to have it there. Once that's done, you can go ahead and save and return. And once it's here, you want to scroll down, and the next aspect is, in case you have more than one class, you have the opportunity to multi-post. What that simply means is I can put this assignment on for multiple classes. So if you look here, I teach another U.S. history, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to click on the add, which is below it, and then it's going to post it for that class as well. And then I'm going to scroll down and hover over save and return, and once that's done, you are set for that assignment. And we'll notice that if I go ahead and post that right here, I'm going to remove it for right now because this is just a test item. If I go to my class, you'll notice that under the news it will list the homework assignment, and you can read it. And on top of that, the combined calendar on the right, you can see that there's something written down for that. If the students ever go to combined calendar, by hovering over that and going to combined calendar, they'll notice that their assignments are all listed forever, whatever subject it is. This is under my name, so therefore you can't see multiple assignments. I'm not enrolled in other classes. But that is how you post homework at Skelton Middle School.